How to stop Google Chrome from automatically opening new tabs. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the address bar, type google.com and press Enter. Now look at the bottom right corner of the Google page. Click on Settings. After that, click on Search Settings. On the left-hand side, select Other Settings. Scroll down until you see the option Open each selected result in a new browser window. Make sure this option is turned off. Once you turn it off, now check if the problem is fixed. If it's still not working, click on the three dots at the top right corner of Chrome. Select Settings from the menu. On the left side, scroll down and click on About Chrome. Make sure your Chrome browser is fully updated. If there is an update available, let it finish updating. After that, close Google Chrome completely. This should fix the issue of Chrome opening new tabs automatically. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.